Well, welcome back to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques and our demonstration video showing you the quality and condition of china that we're listing. Now these square cake plates, and I say these because we've got 3 of these from a large tea set or dessert service that we've purchased, are in absolutely beautiful condition. Rockingham China. Just look at the detailing and the gilt on that lovely scroll handle that locks back on itself. Not pierced, but still beautifully decorated. These details around the rims are all moulded, relief moulded, and then highlighted by the gilt decorators. And it's absolutely beautiful. A square cake plate, 9 inches, extending to 10 and 1/8 inch, I think, between these 2 handles. But basically a 9-inch square cake plate. Quite a deep one, as you can see. Just look, quite sloping sides with that large central block in the centre. No china marks on these apart from the pattern decorators reference, which is 3666. There you can see it just in that base plate area here. Lovely moulded square rim base that is just really nicely moulded. It's something quite unusual about that. These sit really beautifully. Let me just move the camera in this light box down so you can see how that sits so very firmly. Stack really beautifully as well, and in an area where it doesn't wear on the gilt particularly. So just one area where it stacks. You can see there where there's a little bit of wear where the plate above it has worn down slightly because the gilt has extended over onto that section. But otherwise they're in fantastic condition, really, really nice and clean, beautifully conserved. This beautiful sort of dove grey, greeny grey backdrop in the sort of rim detailing area just makes everything else pop, and the whiteness just shines with that gilt on it. So really nice pieces. We've got trios, old English trios with coffee cup, teacup and a single saucer plate, and traditional trios, small biscuit or side plates, saucers and a teacup available in this pattern, as well as I think a very large classic teapot. I don't think the lidded ground sucre I think is coming through, but the slops basin was cracked through, so that won't be making it to the market, I'm afraid. It's always a shame when you go through some of these old tea services, not everything has survived, and we've got to be realistic in terms of their commercial value when they're damaged like that. Things of beauty still can be used, but of no commercial value is what we best describe, and unfortunately have to say to people looking to sell their china quite often don't have a great expectation if it's damaged or heavily worn. But anyway, I'm getting distracted. These Rockingham pieces are in really nice condition and very fine, and we've got 3 of these available for sale on the Vintage and Antiques website. Thanks for watching.